Hey guys, welcome back to Buy42 Exchange. Today we are going to talk about 3 cryptos showing strong turnaround in 2025. Ethereum, Ripple, and can you guess the third one? Stay around for the next few minutes to know. While Bitcoin continues to dominate headlines, there are 3 altcoins quietly making a strong comeback. We are talking about real adoption, institutional interest, and solid fundamentals. In this video, let's explore the turnaround stories of Ethereum, Ripple, and Ondo. 3 cryptos you should not ignore right now. So, number 1, Ethereum. Ethereum is an open source blockchain-based platform introduced by Vitalik, alongside co-founders like Gavin Wood and Charles Hoskinson, and Joseph Lubin. Built to support smart contracts and decentralized apps, it remains the foundations for DeFi, NFTs, and DAOs. Institutional momentum. Spot ETF impact. Spot ETH ETFs were approved in July 2024, debuting on US exchanges such as Nasdaq and NYSE Arca on July 23, 2024. Since inception, spot ETH ETFs have accumulated approximately $3.32 billion in net flows. A recent 15-day streak has brought in $837.5 million, making up about 25% of total inflows. Revenue 1. Ethereum generates revenue from gas fees, which users pay when conducting transactions or executing smart contracts or J. It also earns through staking rewards under its proof of stake consensus mechanism, incentivizing validators to secure the network. Although many transactions now occur on layer 2 networks like Arbitrum and Optimism, the final settlement still happens on Ethereum's mainnet, adding value to its base pair. Performance. Let's check the performance. Ethereum is currently trading around $2,700, making approximately a 40% recovery from its April 2025 lows. Since the March 2024 Denkin upgrade, Ethereum has benefited from proto-dying shading, which significantly lowered gas costs, especially for layer 2 transactions, by introducing blob transaction and boosting roll-up throughput. Pecta upgrade, which happened on May 7 this year, raises staking cap and optimizes layer 2 throughput. Upcoming upgrades and partnerships. Ethereum continues to benefit from partnerships with enterprise players. Major institutions like BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and UBS are actively building on Ethereum, with BlackRock's Build Fund and Franklin Templeton's tokenized US Treasury Fund as prominent examples. Major DeFi ecosystems and global institutions continue to build on Ethereum and its layer 2 networks, reinforcing its foundational role in blockchain innovation. Now let's talk about Ripple. What is Ripple or XRP? XRP is the native cryptocurrency of the XRP ledger, XRPL, a decentralized blockchain developed by Ripple. It is designated to facilitate fast and low-cost cross-border payments, with transactions typically settling in 3 to 5 seconds at a fraction of the cost of traditional financial systems. XRP acts as a bridge currency in Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) system for cross-border transfers. Institutional growth. In Q1 2025, XRP recorded over $37 million in institutional inflows, and daily spot volumes reached around $3.2 billion. After gaining regulatory clarity in the US, XRP has seen renewed institutional interest from banks and payment providers. Revenue and utility model. Now, RippleNet's ODL platform uses XRP to settle cross-border remittances in seconds with minimal cost. Ripple earns through transaction fees, licensing its tech to banks and enterprise-level financial integrations. Ripple also generates value by building CBDC platforms for governments and monetizing liquidity corridors across continents. Price action. Ripple is currently priced at around $2.32, making a 50% rise in 2025. The token supply is largely located via escrows, with around 37 billion XRP still in reserve and 4.56 billion XRP held by Ripple. Dubai and Middle East partnerships. Ripple received full approval from the Dubai Financial Services Authority (DFSA) in early 2025. It recently partnered with Zan Bank and Nano to expand ODS services in the UAE and MENA region. Ripple also announced integration with Dubai's Real Estate Authority to tokenize property titles and streamline debt registration using the XRP ledger. These moves position Ripple as a core asset in the UAE's growing blockchain and digital financial push. Number 3 is Ondo Finance. Ondo. What is Ondo Finance? Ondo Finance is a platform that tokenizes real-world assets like US treasuries and corporate bonds. The goal is to bring TradFi yields to DeFi users and institutional investors in a transparent on-chain manner. The key products include USDY and OUSG, tokenized yield-bearing assets. Metrics. Ondo is currently trading around $0.87 with a market cap over $2.7 billion. Ondo Finance's total value locked, or which we call as TVL, in its tokenized real-world assets grew significantly in 2025, reaching over $1.25 billion by way, up from approximately $545.7 million in January, reflecting strong demand for its products like OUSG and USDX. Now let's talk about revenue model. Ondo earns from custodial and management fees on tokenized assets like USDY and OUSG. Ondo Finance could benefit from interest spreads between tokenized assets like USDY and OUSG and their underlying US treasuries. A common industry practice where asset managers retain the difference between treasury yields and payouts to token holders, potentially supplementing its management and custodial fees. Institutional partnerships and integrations bring in transaction volumes and boost its yield product usage. Now, the major partnerships. Ondo is working closely with MasterCard as part of its multi-token network, MTN, pilot for cross-border treasury settlements. Ondo Finance partners with Wellington Management to incorporate their high-quality short-term US Treasury assets into its OUSG tokenized fund, enhancing its offering for institutional investors seeking stable on-chain yields. Ondo products are now supported by BlackRock's Build Fund, making it a key player in the institutional DeFi ecosystem. What's next? Ondo is set to launch its own Layer 1 blockchain, Ondo Chain, optimized for real-world assets. The team is also expanding in Asia, where demand for tokenized bonds and stable yield products is growing rapidly. So that wraps up on these cryptos making a comeback. Ethereum regaining dominance through ETF inflows and enterprise adoption. XRP bouncing back with new legal clarity and expanding rapidly in the Middle East. Ondo building a bridge between TradFi and DeFi with tokenized real-world assets. Which one do you believe has the strongest upside this year? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto updates.